is How to Animate a Character, a CoSpaces Edu tutorial by Anya. Please enjoy. First, you're going to add a background if you want to. But if you do, go into environment. My pointer's not acting that great. Well, this is environment. I did a grassy background. Now we're going to tap the item. It should appear right here. You should see it right in your background that you chose earlier. Just remember that I used a different background than before. I used the ice skater woman, but you can use any person you would like. Thank you. Now we're going to double click our character, and this box right here should come up. If you need to see it better, it's right here. It's this gray box right here on top of your character. So we're at our second to last step now. Hope you're having fun. This we're at now. Once you got your gray box, you should click on Animate. Here, I'll circle it right now. Here. It's better. It should turn blue, and this box should show up.
And press the no items into Fancy Boy. Now it's going to
very easy. Now we're at our last slide. Here I just tapped on. Here, let me rewind. Fast skating, because my character is an ice skater. Once you tap on your animation, double click again for your gray box to disappear, and your character should start moving and animating. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, visit bit.ly/G3CoS tutorials for more videos. Thank you.